Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 3 stocks that you should be keeping in your watch list for today. I am going to give an update on some high quality stocks such as Peloton and other stocks as well. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we're going to talk about the SPY. The SPY is right in the front of me. And last night's video was released right around like 8 o'clock, and we were down, and I'm pretty sure the short sellers were really happy about that, like extremely happy about it. And looking at it now, again, I did say it could go back up to like 1.6, and yeah, it's here. Short sellers are not happy right now. Like, I'm pretty sure there are some short sellers who are so pissed and so mad about this market right now. Let's take a look at it on the 4-hour. Yeah, and this is not looking bearish in my eyes personally. It's not looking bearish. It's really not looking bearish at all. I do anticipate we going sideways. Best case scenario, we go sideways and then we run up some more. Best case scenario. Worst case scenario is that it comes back down again and forms a double bottom, like later on, probably next week. But yeah, best case scenario right now. Today could be a good day for the longs. Honestly, like it's really gonna be a good day for the longs. If you bought calls, great, good job. You are in a wonderful position. So yeah, that's my thoughts on the SPY. Just keep watching it for today, and don't get too greedy, especially if the SPY is your main stock to trade. Now let's talk about the top stocks that you should be keeping on your watch list for today. First one, Workhorse. For all of you who was able to catch that one, the stock is up by 7%. Yeah, so I released that previous video here, and now we're up here. Congratulations to everybody who held. I think somebody was up like 200%. I think right now you should be up by like 300, maybe 400 if you held, okay? Because I don't see the point in selling like right after, like we're literally at the bottom here. So selling on the first day, not the best idea. Selling on the second day makes sense, right? There's a lot of money to be taken off the table. So congratulations to you who commented that one. So yeah, I do think the stock is gonna go a bit higher. I'm not bearish on it at all. Short sellers will take their money. It's only a matter of time. So definitely keep that one on your watch list. Let's look at HYLN and let's see how that's doing. HYLN, oh, it's up nicely. It's up nicely. Let's look at it on a 5. Yeah. It looks like buyers are stepping in here. So watch this thing for a long play. Watch it for a long. Okay, I'm not bearish on it. Again, same scenario. Short sellers in here want to take their money so that they don't give back too much. And I do think that we're gonna get in the zone at $35 very, very soon. Other stocks that we should be looking at is Intel. And Intel is up right now to around $45.60. And this one, I'm kind of neutral about it because of the way it's looking pre-market. Again, just like anticipate consolidation, and then a break above 46. That would be nice. That way we could continue on to about $48. Yeah, and it gotta get over $46 first before we move on to 47 or even 48. But right now it looks good. Like for those of you who bought it after I released a video, I think on Sunday, talking about how undervalued this stock is. Yeah, congratulations. This one is a hold for me. I don't have any objections towards it. I like it. It's great. It's very safe for long-term investors out there. It's a very safe option. Another stock that we should definitely pay attention to today is JMIA. JMIA closed at 17.38, and right now it's at $38. I did tell y'all that short sellers got trapped in here, and I did tell y'all that they're very, very, very mad, very angry, right? And now they're about to get squeezed, and this squeeze is gonna be nice. So just yeah, watch this thing for long. This is not weak. This is not weak. This is the part where short sellers are in tears, and they start cutting losses, and then the stock goes higher and higher. Around First to around, let me just move this thing to the right there, and then let me move that one to the right here. Okay, so first here and next here to $22. You can kind of see that there is a cup and handle. Like this right here is the cup, right there. Okay, we got the cup right here. Okay, and then we got the handle right there. Okay, so this one is usually bullish, almost always, almost always. Cup and handle for beginners. Again, this is like your crash course. Cup and handle pattern right here. Very easy to spot. It's right there. You can see the cup. So yeah, I'm bullish on this one as well. Again, just a crash course, just to have some fun over here. So the next one that I'm gonna be talking about is let's talk about SNE. For those of you who may be worried about SNE, SNE, I like it a lot in the sense that it performed well, and taking your money off the table. It's right next to the target. Like, don't be greedy, people. Like, enough with the greed. Okay, we made money on this. Great. It's time to move on and look at other stuff. But yeah, it's literally right next to it. Like, what else do you want? Like, definitely take your money off. Not financial advice, just my humble opinion. Okay, take some money off the table. Like, enough is enough. Like, it's gonna go up later, but in the short term, like, do not be surprised to see this thing like drop to like $84 first. Or just consolidate sideways where nobody gains anything, and then goes up even higher later on in like the later months. But as of right now, like, don't be greedy. The stock is actually like opening lower. Just don't be greedy, people. Don't be greedy. I could be wrong also, and it could shoot up to $90 today. Good, but I'm just saying, just don't be greedy. All right. Uh, Another stock that we should definitely talk about is let's see how OSDK is doing. OSDK is up. It's up right now, and watch it for a long, especially after all of these short sellers made so much money off of it. Watch it for a long. Short term target 65. If it's really ambitious, it could go all the way up to 68 if it's really ambitious. But again, I'm not bearish on this one yet. Maybe in yeah, see? So yeah, definitely 68. Definitely $68. Watch this thing for a long, and don't get caught on the wrong side of the trade. I'm not bearish on OSTK. Again, this one's for day traders, okay? Because the weekly is just terrible. All right, weekly is terrible. Again, it has this tendency to just drop after massive spikes. The weekly is terrible, but the intraday is nice. Okay, so just keep that in mind. They got time for a few more stocks. Let's see how Twitter is doing. Twitter. Okay, Twitter is up. Twitter is up. Yeah, especially after this massive run right here. It's up again. And could it go higher? I definitely think it can. $45 at most. I don't see it breaking above $45. I really don't. Nah, at least not today. Like, I don't think it's gonna break above $45. So yeah, watch this thing. Another stock that a lot of y'all probably are wondering about is Apple. Let's talk about Apple. Okay, why not? Let's talk about Apple. Apple looks great. For anybody who bought calls in here, just remember that the stock is not gonna disappear. It's okay to take your money off the table. It's okay. It's all right. You already won. You can take some money off the table. It's all right. And then if it becomes more obvious for it to go higher, great. You can get back in. But again, the stock looks great. How high is it gonna go? Let's look at it on here. Um, right now it's at 114. 114. It pushed up to 117 before we see a pullback will be reasonable. But then after that, I just want to see consolidation. Yeah. So 117 for today, consolidation for the next few days. before going up above 120 later will be fine. But as of right now, like 117 is a good target, especially for day traders out there. So one more stock, one more stock. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Fastly. Yes, Fastly. Yeah, okay. So for anybody who bought Fastly after I released that top two video, these top two stocks, top three stocks seem to be really accurate. It's kind of crazy. It's like I haven't been wrong in so long, apart from Tesla. I know, I've been wrong on Tesla. It's all right. Some of you are probably mad, but that's okay though. Like it's good to be accurate on most, and sometimes I can be wrong on like one or two stocks. That's okay though. 80% accuracy, 90% accuracy is not so bad. So again, for anybody who got in here, congratulations, the stock is up. Um, this thing is on a massive discount. I'm obviously not bearish on it. If you sold on the first day, like yeah, just like I said before, it's like you're too quick to take your money off the table. You're just too quick. You're too quick. It's okay to just relax and be patient, especially when the stock has been crushed like that. So yeah, for those of you who held, congratulations. Looks like you're about to get paid, and you can take some money off the table, and then like get back in later if needed. But yeah, that is my honest opinion on Fastly. And again, congratulations to all of you who are already up. If you get value from the video, destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm as always. If you're new to this channel, definitely click on the subscribe button along with all notifications. That way you get notified whenever I release the pre-market analysis videos like this one, which is released 15 minutes before the market opens every single day, and the post-market analysis videos that I release in the afternoon between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. Yeah, I've been releasing them like kind of a little late, but yeah, just bear with me here. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me on Instagram and on Twitter at Paul and Guma and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB. If you're a beginner looking to make money in the stock market, there are step-by-step descriptions in the there are step-by-step directions in the description of the video to get signed up and to get access to these amazing tools, I think, or swim right here, free of charge. It doesn't cost a thing after you sign up with TD Ameritrade. And you can also get 2 free stocks after signing up with Webull using the link below. And you can also get 1 free stock after signing up with Robinhood using the other link below as well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you this afternoon, all right, between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. Do not get caught on the wrong side of the trade. For the winners out there who listened to me throughout the previous videos, don't get too greedy, okay? Minimize your risk and take some money as it's climbing up. It's okay to just take a little bit off, all right? It's okay. Nobody lost from like 50% profit. Nobody ever went broke from 100% profit. It's okay. I'm gonna see you this afternoon.